Vodafone Idea has introduced a new prepaid plan that offers 50 GB total data with no daily limit. The telecom operator follows Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel in introducing such a plan for its subscribers. Jio has a similar plan with similar data benefit and price in its Freedom Plan Kitty that was announced recently. Airtel also announced a similar pack just a few days ago, priced at ₹456 and offering 50 GB bulk data. Twitter for iOS now allows you to share your tweets directly on Instagram stories. The new experience, that was initially a part of a pilot last year, is aimed to help people who regularly share tweets on Facebook's Instagram. Up until now, users were able to share tweets on Instagram or any other social platforms by natively capturing their screenshots. The update is notably limited to iOS users, as the Android version of Twitter is yet to allow people to share tweets on Instagram stories. Tesla said on Wednesday it has opened its first charging station in China with its own solar and energy storage facilities. The charging station in Lhasa City will generate power from sunlight and store it in the energy storage facilities for electric vehicles to charge, the company said in a Weibo post. Tesla moved into the solar business in 2016 with its $2.6 billion, roughly Rs 19,340 crores, purchase of California-based Solar City, and has said it is keen to develop its energy business. Fortnite creator Epic Games, which is entrenched in a legal battle with Apple, said on Tuesday it now has more than 500 million accounts. The video game developer said it had 2.7 billion friend connections across Fortnite, Rocket League, and the Epic Games Store. The company had disclosed last year that Fortnite had 350 million registered users as of June 2020. Epic Games said it was also launching free voice chat and anti-cheat tools that developers can add to their games. PlayStation 5 restocks have, predictably, come and disappeared in minutes. In their pre-orders for the PS5 and PS5 Digital Edition went live at 12 p.m. noon on Wednesday, June 23, and all the stock was gone under a minute on most websites. Even Amazon had trouble this time around, with its site throwing up an error page. It's rush hour and traffic is piling up on that page. Please try again in a short while. Flipkart went from coming soon to sold out even before we hit 12 p.m, just like it happened the previous two times. Chrome left me at a blank white checkout page. As always, Games the shop performed the worst. It temporarily went down 20 minutes before pre-orders even began, struggled to load since, and switched to service is unavailable prior to 12 p.m. German luxury car maker Audi said Tuesday it will stop manufacturing diesel and petrol cars by 2033 as part of an industry-wide pivot towards more environmentally friendly electric cars. Audi is ready to make its decisive and powerful move into the electric age, CEO Markus Duesmann said in a statement. Starting in 2026, Audi plans to only launch new all-electric car models, while gradually phasing out production of internal combustion engines until 2033. Cyberpunk 2077 players were being offered full refunds on request from the Microsoft Store for the digital version of the game. But Cyberpunk 2077 refunds will soon be subjected to the company's standard refund policy. Microsoft has shared an update on its Xbox support page stating that from July 6, players who purchase the game from the Microsoft Store will have to go through its standard digital game refund policy, wherein Microsoft will decide whether the refund will be issued or not.